Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Expat Rebel Chris, and I'm here showing off my home renovation here on the beach in Yucatan, Mexico. Kind of a way to give back and also get some feedback if we're making any mistakes or anything like that. Make sure you like the video if you like it. Add a comment if you have any questions whatsoever about doing any of this. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Could be more like this, plus some travel stuff as soon as we settle in a little bit more. What they did yesterday is they did more of the sidewalk. So this is from our main house. Our main house has a stairwell. It comes down. That's the bar, and that's the pool. So everybody, and that's the ocean over there. Okay, so everybody's got reference. So you come down the stairs, and this used to be all sand. This is the laundry room. So we'd have to go through sand, and now we don't. This we can't walk on it yet, but by a couple days, 2 days from, well, no, actually tomorrow we should be able to walk on this. This is cool. So it goes all the way. It's going to go all the way to that door, which is the street door, and over to this Bogata area as well, which is going to have solar panels on top. They start that in 2 weeks, I think. So, and that's the casita door right there. That's where our kitchen is, because we haven't done the upstairs kitchen yet. So this is going to be all walkable. I showed in a video or two ago the other side around the corner where they had some as well. And they're going to, in tomorrow, they're going to connect those so we can walk all the way around the casita building, because over here, the patio, they've already done the side. I showed this in a previous video as well, and it's probably walkable actually, but I don't know for sure. This is the maintenance corridor. This is very common here on the beach to have a corridor just for maintenance people. So our caretaker, the pool guy, basically, when they come to service the pool, they would walk through this. And that's just how things are. It comes out into here, and then there's this will also be a sidewalk. They're having to finish the stonework around, which is slowly happening. What's left is a little intricate, and they're having to shape it into little tiny forms to get around the curves and everything. So they're doing that, and they haven't started on the island yet. Looks like on the island we are going to go with stone, because we've heard that the tile on the top, not the sides, we are having tile on the sides, but the top would kind of get dirty a little more than we want and have to care for. So we're just going to do stone, which a master stone cutter guy is going to have to come and take big slabs like that and make it all fit. So I was looking pretty good, though. They're slowly working on that. The pool house over there is being slowly worked on as well. They're mostly focusing on these sidewalks right now, because a lot of the big labor, heavy stuff is over, and they can stick this in. So that's it here from Mexico, Yucatan, Mexico. Again, if you want to like the video, I'd really appreciate that. Leave a comment, question, all about any of this. Please do. It helps us learn if we're doing it right or wrong. We have done renovations before, even though it's been a while. And never on our own house while we're living in it. So it's a little interesting, but hey, it's going well. We could literally just step out on the balcony and see what's going on, and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Could be more like this until we're done. Definitely through, I think the last project will be the solar panels guy, just because he's not showing up for another 2 weeks before he really starts. And the pool and the sidewalks will be finished and pretty soon. And I can't wait till we can jump in the pool. It'll be fantastic. But hey, that's it from here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.